All right, how's everybody doing? Philip Staten here with the Double Advantage team and Breland Group Realtors. I am the listing specialist, Philip Staten. Anita Perez is my teammate, and she typically deals with the buyer side, but she's a fantastic photographer, and she is responsible for these gorgeous pictures. We have got an amazing property for you today. We're offering up, it's in Doe Valley, a gated community in Brandenburg, Kentucky, and it has a ton of advantages. And this home has been completely updated on the interior, the bathrooms, the kitchen, the floors. It is gorgeous. And so definitely want to walk you through this. But first, let's get through the Double Advantage introduction clip.
Whether you're buying or selling, the Double Advantage team has you covered. Philip Staten and Anita Perez have been putting our clients' interest first for over 8 years, with combined experience spanning over 30 years. Our optimized approach to marketing and our 30-day satisfaction guarantee are designed to help you reach your goals fast, and more money at the closing table doesn't hurt either. Give the Double Advantage team a call today.
Right? Call the Double Advantage team. We'll get it done for you. And so this property is at 848 Long Needle Road in Brandenburg, Kentucky, 40108. It is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom, and it's got an upper level, and it's got a walkout basement. There is a full bathroom in the basement and an amazing family room down there. Let's bring that main picture up. An amazing family room down in the basement, 2-car attached garage. The lot on this property will blow your mind. It's a 1/4 of an acre, but it is wooded out back, a park setting, absolutely gorgeous, and it's something that I don't think you'll find anywhere else. It's just a winner from top to bottom. And so I'll give you some of the details here. We are looking at 1,425 square feet above ground. We have 800 square feet finished downstairs, and there is like a gym down there. There's this family room that would work as an office or a theater, and then there's a full bathroom, and then you go into the garage, and that's where the walkout basement comes in. You don't have a door out back, you have a garage that you can go out. But Doe Valley has a lake, has pools, a beach, clubhouse. The list goes on and on. This location is amazing, and Doe Valley is an incredible place to live. And so what we're going to do is get this walkthrough going. We'll talk more about it, but again, it is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath ranch with a finished walkout basement. Good stuff. And just you head out back. This place is absolutely the epitome of get-togethers, cookouts, family gatherings in the kitchen, and beautiful views. So you step inside. The floors are luxury vinyl plank. They look amazing. They feel amazing on your feet. All brand new. In the living room, you have a built-in shelf that has media components could go down inside of there. Wiring behind the TV is actually behind the TV. You don't have hanging wires. Look at this space. Quartz countertops over there in the kitchen. Bay window with amazing views out back. Large deck out there. I don't believe I step out onto the deck, but look at these gorgeous counters in here. Quartz. Beautiful. A breakfast bar right there. Open floor plan. Freshly painted cabinets. Huge tub-style sink with updated fixtures. That's the latest and greatest right there. Stainless steel appliances. And the luxury vinyl plank flooring is throughout the main level. Very nice. Now over here is a real advantage. Your pantry. It is more like a pantry room with built-in cabinets and shelving. Gorgeous. and above your head there's shelving, and then you have the laundry area right here. This home is perfectly laid out, and we're super excited about having this listing. You all want to get on the schedule to see this. The homeowner has really got great taste throughout this home. Everything looks amazing. So over here you have the primary bedroom. It is large with updated ceiling fan, recessed lighting, that same gorgeous flooring, 3 windows with amazing views all around. Just look out here. I know the screen is in the way a little bit, but you can see it. It's gorgeous back there. Perfect. And you have a walk-in closet right there. Here is the primary bathroom. All updated. Everything is new in here. The backsplash, the flooring, the sink. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, the latest and greatest, what do they call that? That golden faucets. They look amazing in here. Here's that flooring. You really have to see this in person to appreciate it. It looks fantastic. Over here you have the second bedroom and ceiling fan in here. 3 windows as well. And you're looking out front there, but you have a step-in closet. And we'll head over here to the hall bathroom. It is exceptionally large with new flooring, new sink, gorgeous inserted tub, new fixtures. Very modern in here. Look at that sink. All this is new and modern and really looks amazing. Now over here to the left we have bedroom 3, the same luxury flooring, a ceiling fan in here as well, a view out front, and right there you have that step-in closet. Plenty of storage in here. Got closets on the main level, and the great room here is vaulted, beautiful ceiling now, and recessed lighting. Now we're going to head downstairs to that finished basement, and I want to say that it has got, yeah, look at it's just so high ceilings, area in here, really attractive carpet down here, very cozy, comfortable. This is a family room, but it would make an amazing theater or media area. And right there is that 2.5 car attached garage. Plenty of storage down here. And just imagine your furniture and what you want to do down here. This is a great space. Here's that space that would work as a gym or a project area, would make even an office or a bedroom if you have guests. It's got a ceiling fan. It's not a conforming bedroom, but you can make it whatever you want. And then here's the full bathroom in the basement, which is always good. It's got a lot of updated stuff going on in here, and a closet, and it's very roomy. There's that closet, very roomy. You can see it. You've got that tub in there, a chill tub, which is very cool to have. So we're going to head back up, and we'll talk a little bit more about it and then sign off. We don't like these videos to go on for 20 minutes. Gorgeous up here. You want to see this place. There's nothing that really compares to it in the area. There are other homes, there's other ranches, but this one is completely updated and very recently updated. A lot of square footage, a floor plan that works for any family situation, I believe. And Doe Valley has so much to offer. And the home association is $185 a month, I believe. Is that what it is? It might be a year, but it might be a maintenance fee for Doe Valley. Call me and I'll confirm that. But I have $185 here, and I want to say that I would want to say that it's monthly, but call me and we'll confirm it. You all, if you think that this property will work for you, or you have a family member that is looking in the Brandenburg area, this is the property you want to see. It is priced right, and it will not last long, and everything about this property is amazing. And so give us a call, 502-724-4484. Anita and I would be absolutely excited to show you this property. We know that you'll love it. And so with that being said, please subscribe to the channel for all the latest listing updates and uploads, and call us if you need anything. We'll be there for you. So you all have a great day. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.